Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. I'm inside the showroom today. We're checking out this gorgeous 1957 Chevy Bel Air convertible. Just an iconic piece of American car history. Hard to argue with the 57 Bel Air, especially the convertibles. Just amazing styling. This particular car had a frame-off restoration, we believe about 10 years ago. We're selling this for a gentleman here locally who's got a bit of a car collection. He purchased this one about a year ago. It was already done. He drove it and enjoyed it, but his collection got a little too large and has decided to let a few go. Anyhow, this baby is done in the Matador red. It is absolutely gorgeous. Again, it was a frame-off restoration. You'll see in the pictures the undercarriage is painted just about as nice as the top side of the car. All of your stainless, your chrome is all polished out or brand new and looks amazing. Body lines are gorgeous. You can see you've got the fender skirts. This one's also got the Continental kit, really nice addition. You see the dual antennas there. Super cool the way the gas filler doors are on the 57. You gotta love those. Just beautiful styling all around. It's believed to have all of its original sheet metal, and I'll tell you, it's just gorgeous from front to back. Whoever did the paint and body on this car did a wonderful job. Again, it was done about 10 years ago, we believe, but it looks like it could have been done yesterday. You can see the shine in the paint. We've had it detailed out and buffed out. It looks beautiful. Beautiful set of white wall tires and the original style hubcaps. Under the hood is again believed to be the original 283 4-barrel. I believe that's called the Super Turbo Fire 283 4-barrel in these. It's mated to the Power Glide automatic transmission, power steering. This one also has a power top. It's white, looks practically brand new as well. Check out the interior in the correct Matador red and gray combination. Now, the only thing they didn't do on the interior, it may have been a personal preference, is the buttons that go in the backs of those seats were left off. That's something that could be added, I'm sure, but they did not put those on at the time of restoration. Original style carpeting, beautiful set of rubber floor mats, the Chevy logo. Check out that dash, original steering wheel. Just beautiful all around. She fires up with the turn of the key. Should be able to reach in here. Sure enough, starts right up. If you're looking for a 57 Bel Air convertible that you can truly get in, drive, and enjoy, as well as take it to the car shows and drive it there, this is one you don't want to miss. Absolutely beautiful. Purrs like a kitten. Make sure you check out our pictures of the undercarriage, the engine bay. It's nicely detailed from top to bottom. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 770-359-8400. Thanks very much. Good luck.